নমস্কার, সিঞ্চিতা আবার চলে এসেছি সিঞ্চিতাস বুটিকের সম্মান নিয়ে আপনাদের কাছে। সরি, অনেকেই বলেছেন আমার প্রোগ্রাম এত দেরি করে কেন হয়, এত ফ্রিকুয়েন্টলি হয় না কেন, পেরে উঠি না। হ্যাঁ, তো সরি ফর কিপিং ইউ অল ওয়েটিং, বাট হোপসো কি আমি এত সুন্দর সুন্দর জিনিস দেখাবো যে আপনাদের মন খুশি হয়ে যাবে। আর বেশি কথা না বলে স্টার্ট করি তাহলে দেখানো আমার সম্ভার। এইটা 1 নম্বর শাড়ি, নাম্বার 1 শাড়ি of episode number 9. This is cotton, pure cotton tat with hand painted. Fully see, this is a very smart sari. The sari itself has a check and fully hand painted. See, it's a total summer wear sari. It's number 1 sari, 1700. Number 1 sari, 1700 totally till end. And this will be the blouse with this. This is the blouse. See. This is number 2 sari, ash color, cotton with zari stripe and same hand painted, different hand paint. See the floral hand painted sari. This will be the total sari look, and this is the blouse with it. This will be the blouse. It has a maroon sleek border that is also painted border, and the full sari will come like this, full hand painted. পুরোটাই এইভাবে hand paint করে আসবে, zari stripe তাতে, cotton. এটা হচ্ছে ব্লাউজ পিস, তার সঙ্গে 1700 টাকা, 1700. This is another জারি চেক তাঁত, জারি চেক। দেখুন এর মধ্যে, সি একটু ক্যামেরাটা কাছে এলে, জারি চেক। This is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. These are all with starch. See, beautiful hand painted sari. Unique hand painted sari till the end, and this is the blouse along with it. This will be the blouse. See the blouse piece, it's very nice. This is the blouse piece along with it. This is also 1700. This is another zari stripe tat. See the sari, it's very smart. This is the pallu part. This is the full sari. It's very smart sari. You can see it's a bit hard because of the starch. This is the sari, and along with that, this is the blouse piece. See the blouse piece along with it. এটা হচ্ছে ব্লাউজ পিস এর সঙ্গে, খুব স্মার্ট শাড়ি, অফিস গোয়ার্স বা ইভিনিং পার্টি, খুব সুন্দর একটা সামার ওয়্যার শাড়ি। This is also 1700, 1700 টাকা দাম। Now I start with my tasar, Gachi by Gachi Tasar. This was a huge response. Thank you very much for the response from everybody, those who have taken. This is another color, new color I have launched. This is orange. This is orange, very sweet orange, because Tasar always absorbs color, so you won't get that deep color. Deep color কখনোই তসরে আসে না, এটা একটু তো লাইট হয়ে যায়, তসর যেহেতু খেয়ে নেয় কালার। এইটা হচ্ছে এর, and this is the pallu. Very smart sari, badni type print. This is 5500 because this is pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar, and this is the blouse piece in stripe, golden stripe blouse piece. This is sari number 5. This is sari number 5. Same print, I will show you different colors. This is a vermilion green color. This is the achal part. There was a huge response for these tasars. This is the pleat part. See how the fall looks after you wear it. Very smart. These are very smart saris. Tasar by Tasar, 5500, and this is the stripe, golden stripe blouse. This is number 6 sari. another color, এটাও রেড কালারে, রেডটাও কি মিষ্টি একটা রেড, সেই ক্যাটক্যাটে রেড কিন্তু আসবে না তসরে কখনোই। অনেক সময় you all ask me whether the color is very bright or not. Tasar colors never come very bright. It's a very sweet sober color. এইটা, এই হচ্ছে তার ফল, this is the fall, this is the pallu part, and this is a very smart sari, and this is the blouse again in stripe, and this is again 5,500. This is a very favorite print of mine. See, blue. This is the pallu. It's also very nice sari. This is the pleat part, and remember always, if you all want to contact me, don't just send a message in the YouTube. Please call me. The WhatsApp number, my number is given on the screen. Just call me if you all want to book the sari, or send me a message. This is the whole sari. This is the pallu. Beautiful sari. This is again Gachi by Gachi. Tasar 5,500. This is again that Ajrak print which I showed you last episode also. You all liked it very much. This is another color has launched. This is the pallu part. This is the body. আর কুচি দিলে এরকম লাগবে with blue and purple, magenta, sorry, blue and magenta color combination. Yeah, this is the sari. This is also 5,500 with the blouse in stripe, golden stripe blouse. Please don't forget to press the subscribe and bell icon so that you can see all my shows again and again. This is another Ajrak print. এটা আরেকটা Ajrak print. দেখুন orange and blue তে. This is a very nice combination, orange and blue. This is also 5,500. Those who want to book, please send me a message on my WhatsApp, or you can call me whenever you want. This is a hand painted salt work sari. Hand painted salt work. These are all salt work. See, it's beautiful sari, hand painted, totally hand painted. See the pallu part, so many colors, and see the sari. It's totally different sari, totally different, and a beautiful sari. With a sweet yellow and pink combination, with a sweet yellow and pink combination, this is the sari. This is 5,350. This is 5,350. These are all specially hand painted sari. See, watercolor. That was in salt. This is watercolor. See just how you paint on the canvas. It's like that. See, totally watercolor hand painted sari. This is the pallu part, and this is how you look after draping it. This is the sari look. A beautiful sea green, light sea green color. The base is light sea green with lots of colorful flowers. But these are totally hand like a watercolor. See, hand painted watercolor. And this is the orange is the blouse. This is also 5,350. This is another kalamkari print sari. This is the achal part. This is the achal part, pallu part. This is the body, full body. See, it's beautiful with a black border. The border is black, of course, with a blue and yellow combination. Looks very nice. Blue and yellow combination. Very smart combination. Very smart sari. This is the full sari look. And see the blouse. Blouse is very nice. Totally on brushing blouse. This is also 5,350. This is another discharge work, discharge on tussar. This is the pallu part. This is the full sari. Orange and red combination. The par is black again. This is the full sari look. This is also very nice, very smart sari. All my saris are very smart. They will give you a very smart look because I do the work totally on my basis. This is the blouse, total black. Not a single tussar you will find. No, this is not good. See this tussar. It's beautiful. This is the aanchal. This whole sari will wrap you like this. The full flowery part. এই শাড়িটা খুব সুন্দর। এটা আমি আমার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপেও দিয়েছিলাম, প্রচুর বুকিং পেয়েছি, এই জন্য ভাবলাম এখানে একবার দেখিয়ে দিই আপনাদের। This is the look and this is the sari. This is also 5,350 and this is the blouse. Spray paint blouse. Now I will start with my special network sari. This is in resham check. See the sari. This is the pallu. Green net with multicolor floral. This is very much acquainted with everybody because I have been showing this since 2 years. The full sari is like this. It will come like this. And those who have taken, they know. Upper yoke, lower yoke. If you pleat also, the sari will come like this. With the blouse piece, of course. This is the sari blouse. And this is the red blouse with the embroidered done on the sleeves. With the red blouse. This will be the sari. This is 4,200. No, sorry, this is 3,800. This is 3,800. This is another white. This is in half tussar. White with multicolor floral. These are very smart sari, nothing to say because I have been showing this since a long time. This is the lower part, this is the upper part, yoke part. This is the sleeves. You can also make the blouse with a mix and match cloth. You can use that as a sleeve and the body with a mix and match pink color because the sari has a pink color and the look is like this. It's a beautiful sari. This will be the look. This is the pallu. Beautiful look. This is 4,250. This is another red color resham check that was in half tussar. This is again in resham check. See the work. This is also 4,200 because of the work. See the work. Lotus. Same work, the upper yoke and the lower yoke. Again, this will be the pleat part. Blouse. This has also a blouse piece. I cannot find it now, but I will give you a blouse piece along with this. This will be the look. This will be the look. This is 4250. This is again in a half tasar sari. This net is a totally again new net I have used, and see this leaves. There is a beading work done, like how it's done in Lucknow chicken thing. It's done in machine beading. This is called beading work. And the net is also totally different. This will be the sari. This is the pallu part. This is the blouse again. Again, you can wear a mix and match blouse. You can make a mix and match with it, with a pink body and sleeves yellow with the embroidery. This is the whole sari look. Show you. This is going with my blouse also. This is the full sari look. Beautiful. These are beautiful for party purpose also. এগুলো আপনাদের পার্টিতে পরে গেলেও নজর কাড়বে, কেউ না কেউ জিজ্ঞেস তো করবেই, কারণ যতজন আমার কাছ থেকে নিয়েছে সবাই জিজ্ঞেস করেছে, আর সবাই বলেছে থ্যাংক ইউ সঞ্চিতা। সবাই আমাদের জিজ্ঞেস করেছে কোথা থেকে কিনেছো শাড়ি। অনেকে আবার রিঅর্ডারও দিয়েছে তাদের বন্ধুদের জন্য। এইটা একটা চওড়া করে খুব সুন্দর মেশিন পার্সি গেছে, উইথ স্ক্যালপ করা, চারিদিকে স্ক্যালপ রয়েছে, আর এইভাবে জরি চেক তাঁতের ওপর খুব সুন্দর দেখতে। এইরকম ফুল শাড়িতে এইভাবে ওয়ার্ক করা রয়েছে। দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি, একটু পরলে পার কিরকম লাগবে। এটা 3500 দাম। এই যে পরলে খুব ভালো লাগবে, এগুলো পরলে খুব ভালো। গরমের দিনে যে কোনো ইভিনিং পার্টিতে পরে চলে যান, আপনি নজর কাড়বেন লোকে। এটা একটা বেনারস উইভ শাড়ি। দিস ইজ দ্য ব্লাউজ, রেড। দিস ইজ ভেরি লাইট শাড়ি, বেনারস উইভ শাড়ি। 3200, খুব সুন্দর। এটা যে কোনো এজে পরতে পারেন, এনি এজ। This is a Benaras weave sari. See the par, see the border. The border is very nice, just like Banarasi border, like Katan Banarasi you all buy. It's just like that. The border is just like that. It's 3200. This is the blouse. This is another Banaras weave sari. This is also very nice. This sari I love. See the multicolored weaving. This is the copper color blouse, copperish blouse. This is the pallu, and this is the full sari with multicolored weaving. It has a beautiful par, designed par, and this is the full sari. Full sari is like this. Full sari is like this, woven, multicolor woven sari. This is also 32. This is also 35. Sorry, this is 3500. This is another tasar I will show you. This is also very nice tasar. This is the pallu. Beautiful tasar. This is totally new concept, and this is the tasar. See the both side border, totally new and beautiful. This will be the look. This is the pallu. This much I can assure you, when you wear these sarees, people will really ask you. And this is the blouse. So for today, I end up over here only. এখানেই শেষ করছি। অনেকগুলো সুন্দর সুন্দর শাড়ি আপনাদের দেখিয়ে দিয়েছি। আশা করি ভালো লেগেছে। You liked it. And if you like it, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. And please, whenever you want to book it. Either you send me a message or call me anytime you want. যখন ইচ্ছে কল করতে পারেন বা মেসেজ। আপনি ওখানে ইউটিউবের ওখানে একটা কমেন্ট লিখে ছেড়ে দেবেন না। যেটা কোয়েরিজ আছে হয় মেসেজ করুন, না হলে ফোন করুন। অনেক সময় দেখা হয় না আমাদের ওইটা, এই জন্য সঙ্গে সঙ্গে হয়তো আমরা রিপ্লাই করি না। আপনাদের অনেক সময় বলেন আপনারা, তো আপনি যদি একটা, আমাদের তো নাম্বার দেওয়াই আছেন দুটো, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে হয় হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করুন বা ফোন করুন বা মেসেজ করুন, যে কোনো একটা। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।